Hi, my name is Jomy John and this is my second workshop with Anant Acharya. The first one few months back was on timing the financial market, which not only opened our thought process on how we can time the market, but also helped in terms of getting the trend changes at the right time. So to advance the entire thought process, I attended the Elliott Wave 3 days workshop, and now both together is becoming a very powerful tool to trade the market. Now this trading is not only for a long-term perspective, it can be done on a daily basis, it can be done intraday, short-term, weekly. It helps in all different trades. It's transforming the way we look at how we can trade the market going forward. I would urge and also ask people to attend these two trainings and take the powerful tool from him in terms of how we can make money. One of the few things that we've done in the last few months is to make some money on this. Yeah. Thanks.